اس وقت میں امریکہ کے ایک لنڈا بازار کے باہر موجود ہوں. ایک ویب سائٹ کے سروے کے مطابق مہنگائی اور مختلف ٹرینڈز کے باعث 2016 کی بنسبت اب تقریباً 52% سے بڑھ کر 90% افراد یہ سیکنڈ ہینڈ کلوتھس، تھرفٹ آئٹم یا لنڈا بازار جاتے ہیں اور وہاں سے کپڑے خریدتے ہیں. ہم نے لوگوں سے وجہ پوچھی کہ کیا یہ مہنگائی ہے جس نے امریکیوں کی کمر توڑ دی ہے یا وجہ کچھ اور ہے. ان کا کیا کہنا تھا آپ کو اس ویڈیو میں دکھاتے ہیں.
Well, I'm Claire. I'm from LaGrange. I think that it's just become a trend among young people. I know among people that are in the younger age demographics, they want to be sustainable. That's a part of it. They kind of are shifting towards some older fashion in general, and then also it's just becoming trendy and people are just following that trend. A lot of people are trying to make businesses of buying thrifted clothes and reselling them. I mean, I can only speak for kind of that age demographic, but that's what I think. So I'm doing it because of the sustainability, cheapness, and I do like the older trends, fashion trends.
My name's Clifton Calvert. I'm from Elmhurst, Illinois, Chicago. I like shopping in thrift stores just to get good deals and help save money so I can feed my family. I think it's it's going to come down to at a point where not everyone's going to be able to afford gas if it keeps going up high, and I hope it goes down. But you got to remember that driving and gas is a luxury, not a necessity. So be careful.